You gonna make me want to go place a review.
Yeah, but the shit would be for him. He need undercover boss to come in there and save his ass. They getting fucked.
Oh. Good morning, good morning. Hopefully today is a better day in DC. God, y'all got the worst type of driving experience ever in DC. Ever. The plans are to grab a little something to eat for breakfast, maybe going to a friend's son's basketball game, and of course to get to today's taping early because we don't want to have the issue we had yesterday. About to get up, get ready, and I'll catch you up later. And I just lately been thinking about where I want to spend my money. Because it's rough out here, you know what I mean? So I'm real selective. Things that I can do on my own, I try to do them on my own. Because the money going to get spent, child. The money going to get spent. But if it's something that has to be done over and over and I can do it, I do it. And then there's times when I'm just like, yeah, that's not what I'm doing. Like a pedicure, your girl not doing that. I don't do those. I need them to get that right. Put a little color in my crease. I love when I have this time to myself to do this. All right. What people?
They was leaving for that funeral. The loud lady. She was like, come around, get on this side. If I'm driving, I want this person here. I was like, ew, she's always like this. They was right out in front of the door.
So it wasn't the alcohol.
I was like, oh shit, nah, she looked like she might get up. She looks like the type that gets up and starts sipping too though. Some people do that for funerals, so. I will say this. Should we put these clothes on now?
Yeah.
And stay out?
Yeah, we're not trying to have it yesterday repeat. Anyway, we missed the show. Luckily, we have show 2 to see. The show was a taping, so we couldn't go late.
That ends, I don't know, we going, what is it, shit, 6 to, what time I tell you that shit go? I'll look at that up real fast, but yeah, that was just too much to not, you know what I mean? I look at places and know what the fuck I'm getting. When I came in there and see the conditions, I knew what I was getting. Matter of fact, that lot told me what I was getting. I never fails in these small towns and shit. We talking about shit they probably don't even give them. That fucking place definitely ain't getting the best shit. You know, who the fuck coming in there doing a review? I'm like, don't nobody care about this fucking area. Funny shit is,
you gonna make me go on there and do a review.
They're building shit around here though. More fucking
you heard me?
And stuff.
You gonna make me want to go place a review.
Yeah, but the shit would be for him. He need undercover boss to come in there and save his ass. They getting fucked.
Oh,
you know what they gonna say? Well, no one wants to work. That's exactly what they gonna say.
They're not gonna be
nobody gonna work for pennies.
So I'm about to do this, and hopefully this wig here, honey, keep it real simple. I'm gonna tag y'all in a little bit. Alright, we in overtime. Oh my God, y'all gotta apply pressure. Yeah. Ah. Out with the fam. I'm coaching after the game. Feel me? So yay, we made it to the game. About to go grab something to eat. And then off to the show. I mean, we is not missing it today. Oh, say hi, Mel. Oh my god, these fries was good as hell. They was really well done. After the game, we went to the Briggs. It was a very friendly environment, pet friendly. The food was good. It was right across the street from the venue we were going to see the show at, which was the best part. Ah, yes. So this is Capital Turnaround. It's nice inside, very nice size. I know Ali Siddiq is looking to do theater shows, and I think he already booked some. However, this show was recorded, so it was a nice experience. Felt like the scene from the movie Billy. This is a shot of the harbor on the fans' balcony. Had a nice time. Went and grabbed more food. Oh my gosh. And that's pretty much the trip. And oh yeah, can't forget this bridge, honey. This Chesapeake Bridge wore your girl out. Okay? Get prepared when you go over that. Thank you for watching. Come back, hit the subscribe, and turn on the notifications. And I'll see you guys on the next journey.